Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? Of turning your hobby into a full-fledged business? Well, today is your lucky day. Imagine waking up every morning to a flood of orders for the handmade jewelry, artwork, or clothing that you pour your heart and soul into. The satisfaction of seeing your creations appreciated by people all over the world and the thrill of watching your bank account grow as a result. But for many of us, the thought of starting an online business can be overwhelming. The idea of setting up a website, marketing it, and fulfilling orders can feel like an insurmountable task. But what if I told you that there's a platform that makes all of this easy, accessible, and affordable? Introducing Etsy, the online marketplace that has helped thousands of creators like you turn their passions into profit. Whether you're an artist, a crafter, a designer, or a maker of any kind, Etsy is the perfect platform for you to showcase your work and reach a global audience. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to making money on Etsy, even if you haven't sold anything yet. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on turning your passion into profit. Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into a profitable business? Perhaps you're a talented artist, a skilled crafter, or a creative designer. But, like so many others, you're hesitant to take the first step. You've heard the horror stories of online marketplaces, where competition is fierce and success is elusive. But what if I told you there was a simple and proven way to make money on Etsy, even if you haven't sold anything yet? As a financial expert and advisor, I've helped a lot of people turn their hobbies into profitable businesses, and I've seen the potential of online markets like Etsy. And I'm here to tell you, it's not as difficult as you may think. The first step in making money on Etsy is finding your niche. As with any business, it's essential to identify your target market and cater to their needs. Whether it's handmade jewelry, vintage clothing, or custom home decor, focus on a specific category and become an expert in it. Next, it's important to create a strong brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition and establishes trust with your customers. This includes everything from your shop name and logo to your product photography and packaging. Make sure your branding is consistent across all platforms, including social media and your website. Once you have a strong brand and niche, it's time to optimize your listing. This means using keywords in your titles and tags, writing detailed descriptions of your products, and using high-quality photos of your products. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for potential customers to find your products. Step 4 is to actively promote your shop and products. This means using social media, making connections with other Etsy sellers, and even running sales and discounts. The key is to be visible and make sure your target market knows you exist. Finally, provide excellent customer service. This includes promptly responding to messages and addressing any issues that may arise. Remember, happy customers are likely to leave positive reviews and return for future purchases. By following these 5 simple steps, you'll be well on your way to making money on Etsy, turning your passion into a profitable business. You may be wondering, but what if I don't have any unique or creative skills to make anything to sell on Etsy? This is where the plot twist comes in, because there's a way to make money on Etsy without ever even having to make a single product yourself. It's called drop shipping. Imagine you're at a fancy dinner party, and you strike up a conversation with an elegant woman. She's wearing a stunning, one-of-a-kind necklace that catches your eye. You compliment her on it, and she tells you that she actually didn't make it herself. Instead, she found a small, independent jewelry designer on Etsy and convinced them to let her sell their products on her own Etsy store. She sets her own prices and handles all of the customer service, while the designer focuses on making beautiful jewelry. This is the concept of drop shipping. By finding a supplier who already makes the products you want to sell and partnering with them, you can set up your own Etsy store and start making money without ever having to make a single product yourself. All you need is a little bit of creativity and a lot of hustle to find the right supplier, market your products, and build a loyal customer base. But there's a catch. Finding the right supplier is not easy, and there are many pitfalls to avoid. But with a bit of research and a lot of persistence, you can find a supplier that's a perfect fit for you and start making money on Etsy in no time. In conclusion, starting a business on Etsy may seem daunting, but with these 5 simple steps, you can set yourself up for success. From researching your market and identifying your niche to building a brand and utilizing social media, there are many ways to increase your visibility and make sales on the platform. Remember to stay organized and consistent with your efforts, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. And above all, believe in yourself and your abilities. You have what it takes to turn your passion into a profitable business on Etsy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. And hit the notification bell to never miss a video.